in our previous video, we have developed About Us web page. This is our About Us web page. In this video, let us design Contact Us web page. We will go to our existing application. We can click on Contact Us, and this is our Contact Us web page for our existing application. In the left hand side, it has a form, and in the right hand side, it has an address and as well as Google Map. Okay, let us design the similar kind of design in our current application. So for that purpose, we'll go to our current application and copy the about.html and paste it and rename this one as contact.html. Now go to VS Code and refresh this particular project or folder, and we can able to see contact.html. So in the contact.html, so we should remove the about section. We can change it as a contact section started here, contact section ended at here. So once after specifying the contact, first thing we need to develop div.container fluid here, div.row. Under div.row, here we need to add two column system. So it should have a space on both the side, left and right, and in between. So for that purpose, I would like to add div call-md-5 into 2. Yes, the two columns we have added. So again, we can go and analyze our application. So our first column should contain form. So how we can able to get the form means, go to our Bootstrap website, and there is a section called Forms Overview. Click on the overview. Yes, it has email address and password. Again, if we can click on form, so layout to content form, then form control. In form control, we have a section called email address and example text area. If you can see our application, so email address and this text area matches same thing only. So we can copy this particular source code. We can paste into the first column. Control A, format selection. So now we can copy the same thing, email, and paste it first as a first text field, and we can change it as a full name. And placeholder also we can provide it as a full name. And type we can provide it as a text. We can save this application and go to our new application and right click on the contact.html, open with Microsoft Edge. So we can able to see first name, email address, and as well as example text area. So we should change the label and as well as placeholder. So first we need to change the label as email address, and next one here, instead of example text area we need to provide message, and here we need to provide placeholder as describe yourself. Okay, save this one and again go to our browser and refresh. Yes, we can able to, we have modified the label and as well as placeholder. So now email, we need to change it as a uppercase. So now we should, as similar to our existing application, we should add submit and reset button. So for that purpose, we need to add a div. The div contains two buttons, one called BG primary, first one called primary and another one called success. So we need to go to our Bootstrap application. There is a components. Under components, click on the buttons. So we need to copy blue primary. Copy the same button code and paste under div. And similar way, copy the success code and paste it here. So we can change this particular name as submit and reset. And here type we can make it as a submit, and type here we can make it as a reset. Save this particular changes. Again go to our application, we can refresh, we can able to see the button submit and reset again. So this particular, in our existing application, it has a contact us and background, it has a color. So the similar kind of background color we will try to include our application. For that purpose we can go to row, include h4 contact us, and here style. In the row we can able to add the background color ash f1. So this is the background color we have included. So we can go and cross check in our existing application, in a new application. Yes, compared to our existing application, the background color is same, but it should have the contact us should available at center only. So for that purpose, the h4 we can provide Bootstrap class as text-center. Yes, it's available at center, and we should include the top and bottom margin as we need to provide. So for that purpose we need to go for row my-5. We have provided bottom margin, we have provided as a margin top and bottom. Why? Yes, it was provided top margin and bottom. So now we need to provide one more for aligning the content. We need to provide justify content evenly. Save this one and again go and refresh our current web page. Yes, we can able to see our content. So now we need to include the address. As similar to our existing application, we need to include the address. So go down and here we can copy and paste up to this much of content, address and address heading and address along with the phone number. So now copy and paste in the second column. So save this one, again go and refresh it. It was showing as a white color. So we need to remove the Bootstrap class as text-white. So both for paragraph and phone number we should remove it. Bootstrap class. Save this one, right click, Ctrl A, right click, format selection. Again save these changes, again come and refresh in our new web page. Yes, we can able to see the address and as well as the phone number we can able to see. So now we should include, as similar to in our existing application, we should include Google Map. In order to include the Google Map, go to Google Maps, Google Maps. So just click on Google Maps. So it is loading now. Now you can just search any one of the address. In our case, I'm just searching Gentech Academy full stack development. Yes, it's available now. Just click on share. So here click on embedded map and copy HTML Once after copy the HTML, go to our VS Code. In the VS Code, we can copy paste our Google Map. Once after copy pasting the Google Map, go and refresh in our application. So it has to load the Google Map now. So it is loading now. It's taking more time. It should not take this much of time. Okay, stop, and again we can refresh now. So it is available here. Yes, it is available at here. So again I would like to go here. Instead of adding it here, I would like to add in a column. So I was added in a wrong place. So here we can go for our column system. So we should include it here. Now save this one and go and refresh. So now we should able to hit here. We can able to see here. So now we can go and modify the height and width. Width I would like to make it as a height. I want to make it as a how much means 350. We'll see now how it looks like. So instead of 350, I would like to make it as a 250. And width I would like to make it as a 450. And we'll refresh in our application. So it looks in this way only. So width we can make it as a more. Width instead of 550, save and refresh. Yes, we can able to see our application. So now for the row we can apply some padding now. For row we can apply some padding. So what kind of p hyphen 3 you can just provide row, and we can refresh now. Yes, we can able to see our bottom also, we can able to see properly. So now we have included the contact as again. For contact we should include some padding. For contact we can including padding as just 3. Save this one and refresh. Yes, we can able to see the contact as some padding is available now. So currently we have developed our contact us web page properly. So this is our complete contact us web page we have developed.